the shuffle madness of the locomotive breath comes the old-time loser headlong to his death. He feels a piston scraping, steam breaking on his brow. Old Charlie stole the handle and the train, it won't stop going, nowhere to slow down. Hey, hey, he hears his children jumping off at stations one by one. The woman and his best friend in bed and having fun. He crawling down the corridor on his hands and knees. Old Charlie stole the handle and the train, it won't stop going, no way to slow down. Hey, hey. Here's a silence howling, catches angels as they fall, and the all-time